So if you have a email account on your Godaddy account and now you want to log into your Godaddy email account, just follow this easy and step-by-step guide to access your email account. So right now I will show you two methods to sign into your email account. The first method is open your Godaddy website and make sure to log into your account. Now click on your profile name and click on My Products. Once you are in your product page, scroll down and here click on Email and Office. And here you will get all of your created email account. So now I want to access these email accounts. I'm clicking on Sign In. And here write your email and enter here your email account password and click on Sign In. And then you will directly jump into your Godaddy email account. Here you will get your inbox, drafts, sent. And now let's see the second method. Simply open your browser and type Godaddy webmail. And you have to open this first link, Godaddy webmail login. And now here you will get the webmail sign-in page. Enter here your webmail email address, webmail email account password, click on Sign In, and then you will be able to log into your webmail email account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.